Are these things listening to us? Discussion forum number 3, be the devil's advocate. In discussion forum 2, first of all, hello everybody. This is Nick Totero, professor of information technology and computer science, Lakeland Community College. But in discussion forum 2, I said, prove it. Now take a counter to that. If you firmly believe that they're listening to us, go out and do some investigation to prove that they're not listening to us. And vice versa. In discussion forum 2, if you said they're not listening to us, investigate the internet and see if you can discover something that says they are. See, as you look at technology or you look at anything, you want to get into the practice of looking at the situation at multiple angles. You don't want to come in with preconceived notions, a preconceived determination, a confirmation bias, basically saying, I'm only going to look for stuff that agrees with me. That's boring. Go out there and see what disagrees with you. Now, we can disagree, and what's the old saying? We can disagree, but we don't have to be disagreeable. Be the devil's advocate. Have a little fun with this. I think people love being the devil's advocate, where they kind of go back and say, you know what? I believe in X, but now I'm going to disprove it. And all we're doing, you may never disagree with your initial premise. That is fine. But maybe it shifts you a little bit. Maybe you say, okay, I thought so, but here is a very interesting article that says, no, they're doing it another way. Or, no, there is no way they're listening to us, but this article has some compelling information. As in all the discussion forums, you have the initial post and you have 2 replies. You need to reply to 2 other students. So you post, you wait a little bit, and then you reply to other people. You can disagree, but don't be disagreeable. As you look for the articles, you have to provide a web link to those articles, right? That's so other people can look at the webs that you discovered and you found. And you say, okay, this is what I believe. Hope you're having fun with this. This kind of discussion forums opens up a good thought process. So, with that being said, let's go out and learn something.